Hi, my name is Nick Taylor and I'm the director at a local business called Boringdon Park Golf Club. Part of my responsibilities are for marketing, promoting events and such like. And with that in mind, we made contact with Paul and his business to see if he could assist us because our knowledge base was so low. We already had a website and we were using social media via a contractor, but we felt we could do better. We weren't making the most of our opportunities that we had. We weren't doing any paid ads, and I didn't know much about that. So initially we just contacted the business to see if we could go on a course or see if we could get some assistance. So as I said, we contacted LDM through Facebook, and we decided on taking a course to broaden our knowledge. And we found over a period of time this to be a really good experience. Paul in particular was very helpful and guided us through the various areas that we needed help on. And as a net result, we've really progressed well, especially with the visibility online, and got more bookings and got more inquiries. So anyone who's listening to this, I would highly recommend Paul and his business to broaden your knowledge on all things social media, etc. He's a really good guy and would thoroughly recommend you invest in using his services and signing up for his course, because you become a lot more knowledgeable. My knowledge base was really low before this, but now I feel a lot more confident, and what's more, I don't feel I'm going to need to have to spend out so much money that we were before, because I'll be able to do it myself. So all in all, please engage and have a go and meet up with Paul and see if that can have the same effect that I've had with our business you could have with yours. So that's me, Nick Taylor, Director at Boringdon Park Golf Club, Plymouth. Thank you.